Earn PayPal money from watching YouTube videos. This article, I show you how to earn PayPal money from just watching YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to make $100 per day for absolutely free till 2021. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is earn money from watching YouTube videos. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to see it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Enjoy it. Step number 1. I want you to go on to youtube.com. And from there, you can find different videos and I want you to click on any one of these videos. And step number 2, once you go into the video just like this, I want you to make sure that you watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video. And step number 3, you make money. All of these are real payment proofs from people all over the world for all the videos they watch. Now, here's exactly how much money you can earn from this. If you just watch one YouTube video, you can earn $3. When you're watching 10 YouTube videos, you earn $30. And when you're watching 50 videos per day, you can earn $150. And guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want and keep on making money. And this is 100% legit, which is absolutely free. YouTube is actually available worldwide. And you can watch it from anywhere in the world. And right now all you need is just a mobile phone or a computer. I'll show you a few examples and a few videos that you can watch. Don't forget, I have a little surprise bonus for you at the end of this video, which is an exclusive tip that can help you earn 5 times more money by simply watching YouTube videos, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. The first thing that I want you to do is to click on the sign in button right on top, and that's going to take you to this page. Now if you don't have a YouTube account, you have to create a free YouTube account by just clicking on this button, create account and choose for myself. And from there, you can literally create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, one thing you'll notice on the left section is you can see the best of YouTube from there. YouTube will show you the best performing, the best video categories such as music, sports, gaming, movies, news and so on. Right on this video, I'll show you a secret strategy which nobody's talking about. So I want you to click on gaming from there, and that's going to take you to this page. Under the gaming section, there are literally millions of people watching these videos on YouTube. And they don't know how they could be making a lot of money, but I'll show the secret on how to do it. And that's exactly how all of these guys are remaking big money on YouTube, $5, $10, $11 over and over again for every single video that they watch. So right now I'll give you the first bonus tip. I want you to focus on this category of video, Among Us, which is one of the most popular games that is trending right now. From there, when you click on Among Us, that's going to take you to this particular page where you can find lot of videos about Among Us gameplays, and one of these live streaming videos is running right now. And all you have to do for the next step is to click on any one of this live video. If I click on this one, that's going to take me to this page here. They are running a live stream. As you can see, a lot of people are watching this video, and there are a lot of demands and opportunities to make on this kind of video right on YouTube. So make sure you keep on watching and I'll show you exactly how you can make a lot of money from this kind of YouTube videos, and you can repeat this again and again for a lot of different YouTube videos right on this category. In order for us to turn those YouTube videos into actual money, we actually have to go on to the second website, which is 7r6.com. On this website, you have the opportunity to shorten URL links and turn them into actual money. Now don't worry, I'll make it really simple for you. It's actually much more easier than what you think, and there are no other people talking about this strategy right now. And you could be making a lot of money if you watch this video all the way until the end. So the concept here is really simple. You have to sign up for a free account on 7r6.com, and from there you have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos. I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a moment, and you could be making money every single video. Now I'll show you one example and exactly how it works. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.